So this is the home page of the web app, which is the login page, and essentially you can log in by typing in the username and the password. This takes you to the user's detail page, which lists the user's name, details of their location, user description, and occupation, as well as a link to all their photos, and all their photos can be seen as such. So basically, to favorite a photo, you click on the heart shape and it will favorite a photo and convert it to like a check mark. And if you want to basically view all your favorites, you can go to the side panel and click on the favorites here, and it will show all of their favorited photos. And basically, if you wanted to delete a photo from the favorites, all you have to do is click the upper right button and you can delete the favorites of the photo. So if you go back to their photos, you can see that they are no longer favorited, so you can re-enable the buttons. We've also implemented a like feature, so you can like or unlike a photo, and based on how many times a photo is liked, it will re-rank the photo display so that the most liked photo comes at the top. So for instance, if I like this one, it jumps to the top. And then if the likes are equal, then it'll rank by the most recently updated photo. So if you go back to the details page, you can also see that there's the most commented photo, as well as the number of comments on that photo. And next to it, you can see the number of comments and the display of that photo.